Stop by and take a look at the 2008 STS. From its Cadillac signature styling to its performance capabilities, STS is the product of unwavering attention to detail, and the result is exceptional fit and finish, overall harmony, refined performance, and purposeful innovation, crisp and elegant design, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, leather upholstery, cruise control, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.